Hi, this is Dr. Friedlander, and in this short video, I want to show you how, as a student, you may want to use icons or graphics in your note taking. I'm now working on my Radis Supernote. This is the Manta, and I've created a bunch of icons that I'm just going to put at the top of my note. And one of the things that you can do is you can easily create stickers which can be reused. So for example, if I wanted to create one, let's say if my professor said that you needed to watch a video and you wanted to create an icon for that, I'm just going to quickly create that. And then if I wanted to turn that into a sticker, I'm just going to select that, go to my three dots, new sticker, and I'm going to call that watch video. And I'm going to hit create. And now even if I get rid of this and I go to my stickers and I go to recent, or actually I'm going to go to, it stored it there, and you can see it says watch video. If I double click on it, it'll bring it into my note and I could position it. So that if my professor said, watch the YouTube video about global warming, I can add that as a reference point. The other thing that you might want to do is put some of the icons that you use on a regular basis at the top of your e-ink tablet, and then as you're taking notes, you can then just copy and paste them. So for example, if you're taking notes and something like the green gases have increased tremendously in the last 25 years and are important to monitor. If you wanted to add the icon here, what I can do is I could just select it, copy it, and then I could tap my tablet and you can see I could add the important icon. So icons can be used to kind of enhance your notes and give you a visual anchor, which could be really important when you're taking notes. So there's lots of different strategies. You can create stickers or place the most used icons on the top of your e-ink tablet, and then you can copy and paste them as you need it. So I hope you found this helpful. If you'd like more information about using e-ink devices for note-taking or strategies and ways to use it, please get in touch with me.